Now the question is construct a 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are defined by Aij is equal to 1 by 2 into mod I minus 3j. So you have to construct a 3 by 2 matrix. That means that matrix has 3 rows and 2 columns with the elements like Aij. Aij means A11, A12 like that. So let us construct a matrix with the elements as A is A. So A11, A12, it has only 2 columns. A21, A22, A31, A32. Now it is a matrix of order 3 by 2. It has 3 rows and 2 columns. Now the elements of these matrix are defined by Aj is equal to 1 by 2 into mod I minus 3j. So A11 is equal to 1 by 2 into mod. What is I? 1. J is also 1. So 1 minus 3 into 1. It will be 1 by 2 into mod minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 is again 2. I explained that modulus valued function. So you will get 2 by 2. It will be 1. So A11 is equal to 1. Again, A12 is 1 by 2 into mod 1 minus 3 into 2. I and j are 1 comma 2. So 1 by 2 into mod minus 5. So it will be 5 by 2. A12 is 5 by 2. Next, A21 1 by 2 into mod 2 minus 3 into 1. So again it will be 1 by 2. Next, A22 1 by 2 into mod 2 minus 3 into 2. 2 minus 6 minus 4. Modulus of minus 4 will be plus 4. So you will get 2. So A22 is 2. Now A31 is 1 by 2 into mod 3 minus 3 into 1. So 0. A31 is 0. Next, A32 1 by 2 into mod 3 minus 3 into 2. So 1 by 2 into mod 3 minus 6. So it will be minus 3. So A32 is equal to 3 by 2. Now you have the elements. Therefore, matrix A will be matrix. Replace those elements A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. So 1, 5 by 2, 1 by 2, 2, 0, 3 by 2. Very, very important problem. They will ask you in MSET exams also. They will ask these type of questions in MSET exams. This is a problem from addition of matrices. Here it is given that two matrices are equal. You have to find x, y, z and a. Given that matrix x minus 3, 2y minus 8, z plus 2, 6 is equal to matrix 5, 2 minus 2, a minus 4. Given that these two matrices are equal. If two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. First of all, they must be of same order. Clearly, you have these two matrices are of order 2 by 2. So, there is no problem about the order. Now, the corresponding elements must be equal. So, x minus 3 is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 plus 3. So, x is equal to 8. And 2y minus 8 is equal to 2. 2y is equal to 10. y is equal to 5. Z plus 2 is equal to minus 2, z is equal to minus 2 minus 2, z is equal to minus 4. And 6 is equal to a minus 4, a is equal to 6 plus 4, so a is equal to 10. That is the problem, very very important. Next, it is a problem from multiplication of matrices. Capital A is equal to matrix 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3, then find A power 4. It is a diagonal matrix. So capital A is equal to matrix 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. Now capital A can be written as 3 into matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So A is equal to 3i. I is the identity matrix of order 3 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now consider A power 4, that is 3i whole power 4. A power 4 is equal to 81 into I power 4. 3 power 4 is 81. 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now you have I power n is equal to I. You have a property I square, I cube, I power 4 and so on. I power n is equal to I. So A power 4 is equal to 81 I. 81 I is 81 0 0 0 81 0 0 0 81. That is the result. Otherwise you can find this answer by using A power 4 is equal to A square into A square. But before that you have to find A square as A into A. Very very important problem. Now it is also an important problem from multiplication of matrices. It is given that matrix A is equal to 2 4 minus 1k and A square is equal to O. A square is equal to O means it is a null matrix. Then you have to find k. Consider A square, that is A into A. Now A into A is 2 4 minus 1k into 2 4 minus 1k. Let us multiply these two matrices. You have to multiply the first row with first column. So 2 into 2 plus 4 into minus 1. So 2 into 4 plus 4 into k. First row first column, first row second column. If there is another column, you have to multiply with third column. No more columns there. So second row first column, minus 1 into 2 plus k into minus 1. Second row second column, minus 1 into 4 plus k into k. So it is a matrix of order 2 by 2. You will get 4 minus 4, 0. 2 4s are 8 plus 4k minus 2 minus k minus 4 plus k square. Now this is the matrix A square. They have given that A square is a null matrix. It is given that A square is equal to O, null matrix. So matrix 0 8 plus 4k minus 2 minus k minus 4 plus k square is equal to matrix 0 0 0 0, a null matrix. That means the corresponding elements are equal. So 8 plus 4k is equal to 0, 4k is equal to minus 8, k is equal to minus 2. This is the required value of k. Now you will have a doubt. If you equate this term, that is minus 4 plus k square is equal to 0, k square is equal to 4, k is equal to plus or minus 2. But if you take the value of k as 2, k as 2 here, 8 plus 4 into 2, that will be 16. But the result must be equal to 0. So here k is equal to 2, k is equal to 2 does not satisfy the given matrix. Hence, the required value of k is minus 2. Very, very important problem. Another important problem. If capital A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, then show that a square minus 4a minus 5i is equal to O. So let us find the solution. Given that capital A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. We have to show that a square minus 4a minus 5i is equal to O. It is a null matrix. So first let us consider a square. A square is a into a. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 into matrix 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. You have to multiply row with column. First row, first column. First row, first column. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2. First row, second column. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2. Sorry, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2. Next, first row, third column. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 1. That completes the column. Now, second row, first column. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2. Second row, second column. 2 into 2, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. Second row, second column. Now second row, third column. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Now third row, first column. 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Third row, second column. 2 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Third row, third column. So 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. So this is the required matrix A square. Now A square is equal to matrix 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9. This is the matrix A square. Now here you have 4A. 4A is obtained by multiplying each element of the matrix A with the number 4. So multiply each element of the matrix A with number 4. You will get 4, 8, 8, 8, 4, 8, 8, 8, 4. And 5I. 5I is obtained by multiplying identity matrix with the scalar 5. So it will be 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. That is the matrix 5I. Now let us consider the equation a square minus 4a minus 5i, that is equal to matrix. What is a square? 988, 898, 889 minus 4a is 488, 848, 884 minus 5i, 500, 050, 005. So matrix 9 minus 4 minus 5, that is the first element. 9 minus 4 minus 5. 8 minus 8 minus 0. 8 minus 8 minus 0. 8 minus 8 minus 0. 9 minus 4 minus 5. 8 minus 8 minus 0. 8 minus 8 minus 0. 8 minus 8 minus 0. 9 minus 4 minus 5. So you will get matrix 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Hence it is a null matrix. Therefore a square minus 4a minus 5i is equal to a null matrix. Very important problem. Similarly, you can do this problem as a homework. Here they have asked to find a cube minus 3a square minus a minus 3i. So to find a cube, first you have to find a square. So a cube can be written as, I will give you hint for this problem. A cube can be written as a square into e. So first you have to find a square, further a cube, and substitute all those matrices in the equation. That is your homework.